To coil a bandsaw blade, grab it with a wide grip and your palms facing upward. With the upper end of the blade on the floor, slowly rotate your hand inward towards your body, folding your right hand over your left. You will be left with a much smaller 3-looped coil. This same hand rotating technique can be used with the opposite end of the blade pressing against a table or wall and your hands rotating right over left as you walk toward the table or wall. To uncoil a new blade, have one coil in each hand with your palms inward. While keeping the blade low near the floor, slowly rotate your hands outward and the blade will unfold. Always handle bandsaw blades with care and wear hand and eye protection while working with them.